Optic Nerve Atrophy. I hope with this stem cell treatment I get much better. The stem cell care on the internet, everything was very comfortable here.
So,
my name is Fabiano Menezes Silva, and I have optic nerve atrophy, and I found the stem cell care on the internet. I tried before other treatments, like normal treatments, and I had no results. So I hope with this stem cell treatment I get much better.
okay, so why you choose this stem cell therapy as a treatment option?
Why I choose the stem cell?
Yeah.
Because I think it's the only way to get better. The other ones doesn't work.
Okay.
The other treatments.
So how was your experience during the communication with us?
It was very good.
Okay.
The experience was very good. Everything was good.
And how was your experience during with our doctor and with our staff?
Yeah, the experience was good. Everybody is everything was very comfortable here.
So did you feel any discomfort after the treatment?
No, not at all.
Okay. And did you feel any improvement, any positive changes after the treatment?
Not yet. I think on the dark room, yes, but it will be the first time I go out the room now. So let's see.